Okay, in this example I'm going to create two networks and try to control a sensor which is on a local network from a second network. We just go on project, add project, network 2, call it local, and it's USB. Okay, that's our project created. We go to the first network, to units, and we scan it. Okay, the first thing we have to set, this is already 253. If it's not, we can make it 253. Going to the readdress. Okay, that's where we can change the address of it. And then we click on make network to make our second network. Okay, you can see the network 253 is created now. Now we can go to network 2 and it's already scanning. Alright, and this is an address 254. Okay, we can go into the network bridge, and especially on this side, if you don't have it's already been enabled, but we can enable or disable them. And here we can choose what application we want to send and send to the adjacent, because we only have two networks. Okay, in this example on the local network we have a sensor, multi-sensor, and okay, in this example we want to program a multi-sensor to control a light, and we also want to enable and disable the sensor from the second network. First we program the multi-sensor, reset it. Okay, basically we want to put a group here to which will be our light group. We can create one or we can select from existing ones. In this case just want it to be group 100, and I want to edit that as well and call it sensor light. Okay, so this will be turned on by the sensor. Then we can go to the occupancy, and here we can again select a group to enable or disable the sensor. I'll select group 110 and edit this one, call it sensor enable, disable. Okay, and we want when this group is on to disable it, so, and then when this group is off, this will be enabled. We apply, save it. Okay, next we program our dimmer or relay units. In this case I've got a dimmer unit. So already I programmed it. This is the sensor light. Okay, so you can click here to see the address, which is 100. Okay, and here I'll put sensor enable disable. I can get rid of that, apply. Okay, now we like to enable and disable group comes from network 253. We go to network 253, we open the application. We also open the application on the local network. The application or expand it. We go into the lighting, double click, and this is a group for enable and disable which we want to create in the second network 253. Okay, we copy this group, copy group, then we go to the second network and we click on paste. Okay, then it creates group in the second network. Okay, now we go on our second network units, and we have this switch here which I want to program it to control, to enable and disable the sensor. Okay, we open our switch and we should have that group available in the from drop down menu. There it is, sensor enable disable, on and off, and that's all we need. Apply.